In this video, I'm going to show you how to attempt to refund friends and family payment on PayPal. Now look guys, I need to be brutally honest with you guys for a little bit, and this is not an easy process and this is not always going to work for everybody. So the only way that you could possibly get a refund if you did send something via friends and family is if you use a debit card or a credit card to fulfill the payment. So if you use like your PayPal balance, for example, that is not going to work. It will only work if you did use like a debit or a credit card. And basically what you would need to do is you would need to contact your bank itself instead of PayPal. So when it comes to friends and family transactions, PayPal has no input in it, so you would not need to talk to PayPal or anything like that. You would go over to your bank and you would explain to them the situation, and then they will see if they can go ahead and help you out. So I know it's a little bit unfortunate guys, and I just want to be as transparent as possible and just say it at the start of the video that it will only work if you did use like a debit or a credit card. Even then, if you did use a debit or credit card, it also depends on your bank as well. So depending on your banks and like depending on what perks you have, you may be able to get a refund, but you may not be able to. But I certainly do think it is worth trying, calling your bank and just try to make your case, and you always want to go ahead and be as respectful as possible. But yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.